Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome. Nature Infused Ash here, foraging with Bigfoot. I'm just going to share a little bit about this cold dip, ice bath experience. So here we are hiking to the top of a mountain, and there is snowpack above the waterfall, and then it's glacier above that. So here you'll see the photo of the snowpack above the waterfall. Experience in the ice. Ice water. Tell you, it was cold, and standing under that waterfall and rinsing off was, my brain was freezing. I don't think I've ever had an experience like this in cold water.
Well done. You did it. I'm totally impressed. Good job.
After that, I got back down, stepped, and I felt drawn to sit in the water, just to have a better experience with the lower body ice bathing. Here it is.
Is it cold?
You can tell that was incredibly challenging. Nope, I've never experienced anything like that. As you can see, I asked Todd for help, and I went to go grab his one arm, and he couldn't, because I couldn't bend my legs. It was like I was frozen in position. Oh, it was cold, and wow, amazing. So obviously he stopped recording so he could give me both of his hands to help pull me out of this situation of the cold water. But yes, so this was fed by a snowpack, which was right above us, and then that was fed by the glacier as well. So what an incredible experience. Would I do it again? Absolutely, yes, I would do it again. And after we climbed back down, we did cold dip in the Kootenai River right here. And that was so much easier, you guys, so much easier. So that was my journey for the past day of cold dipping, ice bathing, water therapy, and it's amazing. I love the results I receive after doing it. Even if it's not all the time daily, it's definitely not a daily practice for myself, maybe a couple times a week. I like to go in the Bow River where I live, so now that I've been doing that, I've been doing the Bow. I've always been intimidated of the Bow because it's such a fast moving river, but I work with it now. And yeah, so tell me your experiences with cold dipping, ice bathing, and what you notice. Take care.